Hey guys, this is Ant Warrior here, and I'm going to be showing you my cardboard vending machine. So, let's get started. First, what you'd like to do is get a coin and just slot it in the slot. Then next, what you'd like to do is go to the slot and pull it, and down here is your price. I made it Lego, so it's much easier. So, if you want to retrieve the coin, if you're the owner, you just come here, open the hatch, and there you have it. What if you want to refill it? All you do is come to the top, open the hatch, and just put it in there. And I'll be showing you how the mechanism works. So, just come closer. This cardboard piece right here with the tape on it isn't stuck. It isn't stuck on. It's actually connected to here. So when I pull it, it moves. And there's a hole there because it's covering it up. So I pull it. There's an open hole. The Lego comes to the bottom. And you open the hatch, and you get it. That's how it is. Thanks for watching my video. Rate, comment, and subscribe.